Alright, welcome back to another video. Forgot to take an intro for this video, but in this video you see me and my dad's hunt Friday morning, and then my dad's and Logan's hunt Sunday morning. Hope you guys enjoy.
Kill him. You're going away empty.
No. More geese. Right here, from that pond. Right here, to the left.
Kill him.
Woo, baby!
Yeah. 5 out of 6. Go. Big bird.
Oh. Is he
alive? Go.
Is he coming back? Is that solo coming back?
Go shoot that bird that's on the ground out there.
Okay. Holy.
Hurry up. Keep going down and get your gun now.
You want me to shoot him?
That bird out there.
What? Yeah.
Birds in that group on there.
Yeah.
Where's the other bird?
Huh?
Where's the other bird? I mean, this is 3. He has 1. That's 4.
You have 3, you said?
I have 2
Oh.
birds. You have 1. Logan has 1. We shot 5.
Yeah. Well, there should be another one down right over here somewhere. Then. Yeah. No, I got the one I just shot. That one ball hit me right here.
Look at that feather. One out there, boy. Go get him.
Oh boy. No. Ah. Yep.
We get 4?
I dropped 2.
Yeah, we got 4 right there. Don't be belly up.
Yep.
Yep.
I don't know, I'm picking up my shells though.
Yep, get your bullets.
There's a double right over that corner right there.
Too close to that house when he goes that way.
Hunter, we're coming right at you. He's circling to the opposite side this time. Now he's low enough. Oh! GoPro come off my head. I definitely hit him my second shot. I'll go get him. Hey, I got him. I'm the closest one to him. Alrighty guys, Chad Hunter and I cleaned up pretty good today. Ended up with 9 on the ground. So, had some nice, some groups working pretty nice today. Come right into our face, cupped up. So, I think that's all we got for you guys this week. More goose hunting coming up. Deer season's right around the corner, so stay tuned for that. Catch you guys next week.